Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of I Love Murphy. I'm super excited. I waited until it was quiet so that I could unbox this. It's been sitting in my kitchen right next to me all morning, all day. It is now 10:30 at night, and which is not late for me or most people, but I just wanted to get out of the way because Grandma's spending the night tonight, and that's where I film my videos, is in the spare room. So you probably can't see this and wondering what it is that I'm holding, with the description in the or the title I should say would probably explain to you what this is if you can't read it. Murphy got an iPhone. Nope, Murphy got an Apple Watch. Oh, it's been a long day of studying and shenanigans. So let me get this open. I just wanted to do this now because it's probably gonna take me forever to edit and figure out all the works and the kinks and stuff, but I'm so excited. And I excuse the whole of this, but it's been, like I said, a long day. So the first thing, obviously, Apple Watches. I've never had one. I'm the queen of like Fitbits, and yes, I am wearing an elastic around my wrist. Please forgive me. I really wanted to unbox this in front of everybody. So excited. Did I say that already? I'm very excited. Not really sure what these weird flappy bits are. Maybe to make the box stand up. Maybe to make it open. I'm not really sure. I'm sure I'm going to end up ripping this somehow. Not really excited about that idea. I am not the patient opener of things in the family. Oh, look at, so it does flap kind of open this way. It's like a tab. Look at that. And then, so excited. I've really wanted one of these. I waited very patiently for the new Series 4 to come out because, you know, the heart wants what it wants. So this is what it looks like. It's got pictures of all the different bands and stuff in the cases. This has got a picture of the face, which is right there. And then, oh, there's like a box and a box. So that's kind of cool. This is one box. I'm assuming this has a watch in it because that's the picture of a watch. And this is like a cardboard, but this is a nicer, like almost that Apple like waxy cardboard. And then this one has the band in it. So I really, really wanted the one with the white band. I don't know why, because honestly, I wanted the silver case. You know what I mean? The aluminum case doohickey. So that it came with like a white band. I think that's the only option. I had to wait. I couldn't. Ooh, that just popped right out. This like hopped out for a second when I opened the box, but I tried to get it. You know, it's not one of my videos if that doesn't happen. So thankfully that was just the little chargy adapty thingy. Let me get it. Hold on one second. Got it. So, okay. So this is the actual watch body, it looks like, and that is upside down. I did get the 44 millimeter just because she's a big one, ladies and gentlemen. So 44 millimeter, it comes in this cute little velvety pouch thingy. There's the bezel. I did not get the cellular. It's like a little blanket. I really like that. So who's sleepy? Is my little phone watch thingy sleepy? I'm sleepy. So anyway, you gotta open it up, and it looks like you have to actually break the seal. What, does it slide out, I wonder? Let's see. Can I get it to slide out without breaking it? I did purchase Apple Care because, like I said, I'm a graceful one. Ooh, that's pretty. Look, it lights up right away. That's so neat. This is the back. And I know it's got that EKG function that hasn't really started yet. That's so schmancy. It is bigger than like my best friend got one. She obviously has the. I think she got the 30. She got the Series 3, so she got the 30. What is it? 32 millimeter. There's like a 32 and 38, and this is the box with the band in it. But I wanted the 44. Actually, it's the 38 and 42, I think, with the other ones. Anyway, I really like the Fitbit. I just don't like the, and I just got this for Christmas, as a matter of fact, but the band got really stained right after I wore something dark with it, and I wasn't really impressed with it. Hopefully this one will do the same thing. It also didn't have like the functionality that I wanted. Yeah, I get text messages on this one. There's still a character limit. I can't respond. I can't do very much with it. And I would go, oh, look, so-and-so texted me. And then I would walk away and live my life and never respond. So that was kind of crummy. I was a bad friend as far as that was concerned. So I figured this would be better because I could actually answer. I didn't get the cellular plan because I always have my phone with me and I'm never without it. Even if I could be without it, I wouldn't be because I'm still on my apps and stuff, and I can't imagine that I would play like Soda Crush on this, which I do. So I would on my phone anyway. So this is actually saying, it's telling me stuff about the app. This is saying things about my Apple Watch. I think I have to sync it to my phone. If I can read little emoji cons or whatever they're called, and those little icons I can figure out. So I'm going to turn it on next to my phone. I'm going to put the band on, which I'm not really sure if that's the first step, but I really want to try this on. Oh, this is the short. It comes in 2 sizes too. There's a small, here, let me not be annoying for 1 second. I know it's not that easy for me, and I appreciate your patience. So this is the medium large band, and this is the small medium. So you can actually change the bottom half of this. I'm gonna try it out. I'm going to sync this up with my phone. I will give you guys some more features, and maybe I'll come back and do like another little bit to explain everything. But Nana wants to go to bed, and I want to figure this out and not break it. So I will be tuning back in soon. Thanks for stopping, and I will talk to you soon. Murphy out. Bye.